What's going on, everyone? How you doing? It's Josh Fulton from AC Development Partners and Ace Acquisitions. Welcome to 961 North Rosedale. So this deal we acquired about 2 months ago. Purchase price was $55,000. We put about $85,000 worth of work into the property, and we're going to list it on the market for $220,000, which is a pretty little low price point because we wanted to be competitive for different buyers to come in so that we can get a bunch of our offers coming in so that we can get over asking. But even with it being sold at $220, we're still making a great profit on it. So we'll walk through the property. So right here we have this beautiful accent wall with the electric fireplace. We also have granite countertops that waterfall all the way down. We have the tray ceilings, all new lighting fixtures, brand new cabinets, all brand new appliances, brand new flooring, everything. We just got the property staged today, so all of the staging really made a big outcome on the property. It really turned this house into a home. So I'll take you upstairs as well. So up here we have all brand new carpet, all new doors, door handles, all new lighting fixtures, completely renovated the bathroom, all new backsplash, all new appliances. Really like to go with the gold and gray trim just to give it the same feel as the kitchen downstairs, all new flooring. And then over here we have the master bedroom. Ceiling fan, new lighting fixtures, and this is what it looks like staged. It's a beautiful home.